Have you ever felt a presence when you're alone? Or maybe heard a sound that no one else can? In the vast, picturesque expanse of Taos, New Mexico, some residents claim to hear a peculiar, persistent sound, a low-frequency hum that never seems to fade. But what truly is the Taos hum? An unexplained auditory phenomenon, or is there a deeper, concealed message within? The first reports of this mysterious hum in Taos emerged during the early 1990s. What started as isolated murmurs transformed into a collective concern. Not everyone could hear it, but those who did described it differently. A distant diesel engine, a faint buzzing, or a far-off rumble. The curious part? The sound was untraceable. Many affected by the hum went on a mission to pinpoint its origin. Was it the Earth singing its ancient song, or perhaps something more technological, maybe even extraterrestrial? These were no casual whispers. For some, the hum became an obsession as the continuous drone disrupted sleep and daily life. In an era where mysteries were often relegated to folklore, the seriousness of the issue caught the attention of researchers from prestigious institutions. Teams arrived with advanced equipment, hoping to detect and decipher this elusive hum. And yet, every microphone, every seismograph, every electromagnetic field detector drew a blank. This spawned several theories. Some hypothesized geological activity. The shifting of tectonic plates might produce sounds that, under unique conditions, resonate at just the right frequency to be heard. Others pondered whether secretive military experiments or underground bases were to blame. Could this be an unintentional leak of classified operations? Or was it simply tinnitus, a common auditory ailment, playing tricks on the town's inhabitants? Among the more speculative theories was the extraterrestrial connection. Was the hum a form of non-human communication, or perhaps a beacon? These suggestions, though far-fetched for some, couldn't be entirely dismissed, considering the rich history of reported UFO sightings in the American Southwest. However, there's also the psychological dimension. The human mind, complex and malleable, can sometimes manifest its anxieties and stresses in curious ways. Could the hum be a form of mass psychogenic illness, where a physical symptom, real or imagined, spreads among individuals within a community? But perhaps the most baffling aspect of the Taos hum is its selectivity. Only a small percentage of Taos's population reported hearing it. This selective hearing deepened the mystery. Was there something biologically distinct about these individuals? Or was it their environment, their homes, or even their electronic devices? Years have passed, and though the intensity of the hum's notoriety has diminished, its mystery remains. For those who hear it, the quest for answers continues. Is it a simple acoustic oddity, an undiscovered natural phenomenon, or something more arcane? In the vast tapestry of unexplained phenomena that dot our world, the Taos hum is a reminder of the limits of our understanding. In an age where answers are often a click away, there remain questions that defy explanation, challenges that beckon the curious, and sounds that, well, resonate differently with each listener. So the next time you find yourself in a quiet space, listen closely, for in the silence, you might just discover a hum of your own.